Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys a quick and easy card making kit. Some of you saw that I had hauled this, my last haul from Frank Garcia Studio, and I also posted it on my Instagram. So I purchased this. This is a Simple Stories, Simple Cards card kit, and this is the Lots of Love. And what it is it makes 8 cards, and there's everything you need in this kit, and it includes the bases, the chipboard pieces, die cuts, and step-by-step directions. And it says that there's no cutting required, just adhesive. So I had purchased this thinking that it would be fun for me and my daughters to put these together, but unfortunately they weren't with it. This is crafting, I guess, is not my daughter's things, but I thought that I would put these together myself. And this was super fun and super easy. It was a no-brainer. You didn't need any scissors or anything like that. So that's what I loved about this kit. If you want to whip up some Valentine cards, this is the kit to get. But anyways, it comes with these 4 sheets, and they're punch outs. So you can just pop them off, and then it comes with this sticker. I think this is like a cardboard die cuts. So it comes with that. So yeah, it comes with 22 chipboard pieces, 55 die cut bits and pieces, 8 white card bases, and it comes with instructions as well. And the only thing it doesn't come with is the envelopes, but you can either make that or you can purchase them. And it also, what I noticed is it came with a lot of extra pieces, just in case you wanted to add things or save them for another project or whatever you may choose. So this was part of the packaging, and then this is the directions. Basically, it tells you step by step how to layer it. So this is also good for those of you who are not as crafty but want to whip up some cards. This is perfect for you guys. So there's the front and then the back of the how to put the cards and assemble it together. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the cards look like. I'm super excited because it was so fun making it. So this is the first one. Look at how fancy. Now, and look at how dimensional. You can also, if you want to make it dimensional, add your pop dots. But I did not. I just use regular, some I use glue, some I use double-sided tape. But as you can see with the double-sided tape and the glue, it has a little bit dimensional pieces to it, like the cardboard. See how it comes up, but you can use pop dots if you like. So I followed the directions, and there was extra pieces at the end. So I decided to just add this banner and this heart to the card. So there's that one, and this is super cute. I'm going to actually use this one to give to my husband, or one of these cards. So there's that one, and this is adorable. This is I Really Love You. And also what I did was, so some of the backgrounds for the well, not backgrounds, but some of the layering papers to put on the card, it fit perfectly around the actual card base, but I like my card base peeking out. That's personally what I prefer. So I was able to cut down the pieces a little bit more, just so that there can be some of the main base sticking out here. See, you have the white pieces around. So that's what I personally, even when I make cards, I always do this. I cut it down a little bit just so that the card base can show. So there's that one. This is totally cute. You're a top quality friend. This one, You Mean the World to Me. Super cute. See, and you can see all the different layers here. This one. There's this one here. And then the last card is this one. So yeah, I had a lot of fun putting all these cards together, and you guys should try it out. If you guys are thinking about getting this kit and you want to make multiple cards very quickly, this is the way to go. So thanks for watching, and I will be back with another video sometime soon, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.